Hello everyone and welcome back to another trading recap. So this is going to be a weekly recap of the last week. So that's going to be week starting 24th. So the week starting 24th, we're going to go through all the trades that I took. I took around three trading days. We're going to go through 3 trading days. And yeah, there wasn't news at all last week, which made the market quite weird, at least for me. I didn't really like the price action, but other people may have liked it a lot. But yeah, if we look at the price action, we can see, you guys can see what I mean by what have happened, shall we say. The first day was completely my error in terms of how I executed. So we have this price action, this block of price action here. Sorry, I'm a bit sick, hence why I haven't been uploading. But yeah, so we had the hourly in a bullish pattern. So you can see the move here is bullish, and yeah, and then the 4 hourly was also bullish. I'm sorry if this video is a little bit rushed. Yeah, the 4 hourly is also bullish. We broke above this previous high point and closed above it. So yeah, we were looking for some buy positions, and we got some buy positions, I believe. I don't know if it was an hourly sweep. Let me have a look. Yeah, so we got the hourly sweep just here. Bang. So this was the hourly sweep. We then had the breaker, came into the breaker. Obviously, we got stopped out, but let's analyze further. So if you go into the 5 minutes, I then executed on a break of structure, I believe, which was here. So we got the break structure here, I entered here, and yeah, we came into profit, and quite deep into profit, to be honest. I had TP1 set at the previous London. Yes. Okay, it wasn't making sense. So I had the TP1 set at the London highs just here, and I entered just here on a pullback because we had broken the 5 minutes. And yeah, we didn't get to London highs. We got very close to take profit, and then yeah, price reversed. And I didn't trust that price wanted to go down, so I re-entered here. Obviously, price came into profit, back to drawdown and got stopped, and then I re-entered again, and we will see. I re-entered around here, and then we can see what happened. It was an absolute bloodbath. So yeah, there was a few trading errors there. First of all, trading psychology was just not good. You just don't enter 3 times in one day. Max per day is 2, and I obviously entered 3 times, which is not ideal. I did end up losing $450 on this day, which is a crazy amount. 4.5% is a lot. And then for Tuesday, so this was Monday's trade. For Tuesday, we had the exact same setup. So we had the hourly and the 4 hourly in a bullish bias. If I can just find the price action. Yep, here we go. Hourly and 4 hourly in a bullish bias, and we got the sweep and closed above, and then I started looking for entries, of course. That's Friday. There we go. Just here. Oh, yeah, I assume the hourly sweep must have been this one. Just that. And then we came back and obviously broke structure here. I did wait for a retest. I probably entered here, came into profit, and then down again. I did say this felt, when the day was playing out, I did say this feels a bit like Monday's price action, but the trading criteria was met, so I took a trade based off that. And yeah, I did end up getting stopped out. I only lost $150. I didn't re-enter. I learned from Monday's mistake. It wasn't really a mistake. It was just more an issue from myself. But yeah, and then so I was down 600 because I lost 1.5% on this trade also. So I was down 600, which is looking like a bad day. And I took Wednesday and Thursday off. I then came back for Friday. I think the trade is on this chart. Yeah, here we go. Took 2 trades on Friday. This one was not following the trading rules that I had. However, it did end up TPing. So we had a sweep of the, let me have a look and show you guys. Sweep of these lows, and obviously we came back into here and closed quite strongly. And then I wanted to retest into this hourly fair value gap, which we got, and then a push out of it. I then waited for a 15-minute break of structure. If we have a look, The 15-minute break of structure would be, sorry, this is getting really confusing. 15-minute break of structure would be just here. I entered on the 1 minute, I zoomed in on the 5 minute. I wish you could just stay where I ask it to. That'd be very nice. I entered on the 1 minute, but then I zoomed into the 5 minute, checked for a retrace, and then we got a retrace here. And onto the 1 minute, it's the same thing. This is a 1 to 3 risk to reward. So I made around $320 on this trade, and then this trade was pretty much a rinse and repeat. However, we did have the hourly and the 4 hourly in bias, so this was a trade that followed the trading plan. So yeah, it was a sweep of this low just here. If we go onto the hourly, I can show you guys it was a sweep of here, and waited for a retrace because we saw this strong move up. Waited for a retrace and then waited for a further close above the previous high on the 5 minute, so a 5 minute break of structure because we had the fair value gap that had been filled just here. Bang, like that. And yeah, this was also 1 to 3. I targeted, I can show you guys the target. This also made 300, so I ended the week on a break-even week because we had 320 from here and then 300 from here. And the take profit was just this previous high, this draw on liquidity on the hourly just here. I didn't think we are going to get here or to the top, as this was an order block. If we can have a look on the 15-minute, how I identified it. Yeah, so we have this liquidity sweep just here, and obviously the move prior to the liquidity sweep is this one. So yeah, we have that order block there. So I just wanted to play it safe and target this local 1 hour draw on liquidity, and we can see we hit it pretty much to the T. After that, price started reversing downwards into the previous 1 hour fair value gap just here, and obviously it rocket shipped. And yeah, so this was a very successful Friday, which made me $600 and recovered everything. So we ended the week on break even. And yeah, this is the weekly recap. And yeah, thank you for watching. And I hope you guys got some benefit out of that. And I'll see you guys on the next one.